y'all doing today? As you can probably see the snow blowing out there. I'm in Bismarck, North Dakota, April the 12th, 2022, and it is coming a blizzard. Come out, crank up the truck, let it warm up a few minutes. And we'll go back in just a few minutes, get out of this mess. Come out and get our boots out of the truck. And yeah, we're here. Here's a little bit of a blowing snow scene. Well, how you doing? As you can see there in the previous scene there that we are in Bismarck, North Dakota. I'm Nathan with the Dream Helper. We come out here to crank our truck up, as we've already said, so we won't go through all that again. But this has been one more trip than last week. We had two campers going to Helena, Montana, and got caught over in Wall, South Dakota, as you've seen in that previous video. We was going with another co-driver, co-worker. He went to Billings and I went on out about 4 more hours out in Montana. Dropped off too. We got shut down last week for 4 days for wind. Little snow showers, but nothing like this. Mostly wind. Well, we get unloaded yesterday and loaded back with our 3 cars that you can see out the back glass there. One of them anyway, but there's 3 of them out there. I'd get out in video, but I ain't getting out in video and in this blowing snow. But we're here at the Comfort Inn in Bismarck, North Dakota. Quality Inn over here to my left. Probably be your right. Motel that I'm staying in is right in front of me that you've seen in the previous scene there. But we're going to be here now probably till about Friday, possibly Saturday due to the wind and drifts. They're looking from anywhere from 24 to 40 inches of snow here in this area that I'm in. And it's flat coming down. It's supposed to snow like this today and tomorrow and into Thursday morning. So we're just gonna hang out. I'm glad we got us a warm motel, nice place to stay. If you ever in Bismarck, need a nice hotel, just look up the Comfort Inn in Bismarck, exit 159. And nice place, got good truck parking. You transporters out there. The Quality Inn's got good truck parking right here next door. This same owner owns both of these motels, so you can park anywhere out here and have a nice place to stay if you need to. You need to get shut down. If you get shut down for wind or weather or of any kind, you've got a nice place to stay here. So I know this might just be a short video. We just want to put it up and let you know we're shut down due to a blizzard. We're headed over to Brookton, I believe it is, in Rogers, Minnesota, to deliver these 3 cars, and then we headed on back down to Indiana. Try to get us something going toward warm country, get out of this snow for a while. But yeah, this trip's been pretty much a loss. I mean, not totally lost, but we ain't made nowhere near the money that we could have had we not had to get shut down. We did deposit some money into our bank account, but we've had to spend a lot too because of being shut down. But even in the worst conditions, been shut down for 4 days last week, Gonna be shut down for 3 to 4 days this week. We still put money in the bank. So if you're out there hollering and upset and wondering if you can make it because of weather or getting shut down, this, that, and another, no, it ain't fun. I don't like it, not one bit. I'd rather be on the road rolling and keeping my money in my pocket. But I also would rather be in a nice warm hotel, safe, and get there when I get there alive, instead of trying to push it and force myself into the ditch or lose my load or cause some kind of damage and that kind of stuff. So if you don't have the Windy app, highly recommend you download it. If you don't have Wind Compass, highly recommend you download it. If you don't have Weather Bug, highly recommend you download it. And My Radar as well. And you can call 511 for road conditions, weather conditions, not just in the state of North Dakota, but other states as well. So planning ahead makes a big difference. We knew we was gonna get caught in this when we got out to Montana and we started seeing the weather predicament. And I knew that I could make it back to Bismarck and I would be shut down. I knew that. I knew when I got here this was gonna take place. So this didn't catch me off guard. It didn't catch me not knowing. I knowed it. I watched the weather all weekend, but I had to get back this way. And the only way to get back with the load that I have is to come this way. So here I am. And so if this video gave you any help or any kind of information that might be useful for you, please like it, subscribe to it, hit that bell for the next notification down there, where you'll get another notification when we do another video. And but yeah, we're in the blizzard of 2022 in April the 12th, going through the 15th. More than likely be here on the 16th, leaving out on the 16th on a Saturday. We're only 4 hours and 4 minutes, I think, from our first drop off, and to our second drop off from right here where we're at. I think it's 5.5 hours. So we're not that much further to where we was going to drop off. But I'm not driving in blizzard condition to take a chance. It ain't the snow that bothers me. The snow don't bother me at all. What bothers me is this 48-mile-an-hour gust with slick roads. I'm afraid I would hit a slick spot and a gust would hit me, and off in the ditch or in the median or down a cliff I would go, and that just ain't worth it to me. I'd rather stay put right here where I'm at and ride the storm out, wait on it to get better, and yeah, that's what I'd rather do. So I hope you got something out of it. If you did or if you didn't, I'm just giving you the life of a trucker. Dream helper. Living the dream out here in the blizzard. And so, encourage you. Keep the ugly side down and the pretty side up. Until next time, have a great day.